Hello， 大家好，我是所罗门群岛周小五。我们现在还待在家里，虽然是解封了，但是我们也没有去上班。也就是刚刚我在那个电视上吧，算是电视上看直播嘛，然后说当地的总理在开那个新闻发布会嘛，他说就是封锁那3天时间，检测出来有289例了，太厉害了，就3天时间而已。我们现在也不敢出去还是待在家里比较安全一点。有好多朋友都是 positive， 就是已经是阳性了，已经算是感染了新冠嘛。这个病毒传播的太厉害了，确实以前觉得没什么，现在当你自己亲自经历过之后，太可怕了。今天我就想更新我前几天就是没封锁之前的老渔民出海钓鱼的视频，他有钓了鱼，拿个鱼过来给我，但是我没有剪辑。今天就剪辑出来给大家看一下。刚飞行的1号你干嘛？我刚刚开门的。今天9点多钟才开门了，不满了吗？
不满。OK。
手上这个 any case kam?这个 any case kam? Okay. See, habiling tu taking case kam? 你看白了。好久没见到老渔钓鱼了。How long you go fishing there? You fishing last month?
We just tried corona last night.
Yeah?
We go but no stuck.
And no pigmin.
Maybe current peak.
Current
Current high, but the new corona.
You go no more? You take that last one?
We grow patol no man. Minoko. MC Minoko yet.
Anything you like, anytime anything you like for go no, only go pay. Take it for you. Yeah? Last pay the me using me no pay no. Yeah?
And time she yeah. Time she good now.
没有啊，这个都是趁烂鱼啊。这个就拿来煎着吃，比较好吃这个。是那个 big stack 啊？
Yeah.
哎呀，那个呢
Okay.
You go last night?
Yeah. But you know, start looking for LCP go kasi ko quit.
一般都kasih beli kopi.
Yeah.
Then?
Kasi there no any chip, we come back tomorrow. Or here mo.
Yeah. Latin na hem ka fish.
Lagi lebih namatin, until like that.
Oh, tayo tayo na. You go last night what time ya?
Ito sama 10 o'clock or 11.
Oh, you take to 11 you go lem. You should take some for you go fishing and you looking to follow some for you stay house nothing no more ya.
Lalaman ko west. Next na ko west. So the cobra come back at 2.
So how much in the fish for you?
This is naman. 30 or 2.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
So yeah. So where you go? Let's cook or
Yeah, let's get Friday.
let's fly. Oh, today Friday ya. Sunday one time ya.
Sunday one time.
Okay, good one. Early morning. Hey, so you wait a long time a little bit?
Yeah. Little bit time naman.
A little bit time ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go back house. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say one, thank you, P. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. 其实老渔民这段时间他也很少出海去钓鱼，因为这段时间的天气不是很好，浪很大的。这段时间风又大，浪又大，所以说他可能有很久没有出海了吧。他说他这次去，他也是说冒着浪很大的，然后他也出去，因为他们是比较有经验嘛，知道哪里有鱼多一点。我们话不多说了，这期就先到这里了。喜欢的话可以点一下关注哦，拜拜，下期见，拜拜。